Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Console using multi-factor authentication. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the AWS Management Console login page. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. Before proceeding, ensure you have your multi-factor authentication device ready. Click the Sign In button to initiate the login process. You will be prompted to enter a code from your multi-factor authentication device. Retrieve the code from your device, whether it's a hardware token, an authenticator app, or a SMS message. Input the code in the designated field on the screen. Once entered, click on the Submit button. If the code is correct, you will gain access to the AWS Management Console. Explore various features and services available within the console. For added security, consider enabling MFA on your AWS root account. To do this, go to the My Security Credentials section. Locate the Multi-Factor Authentication section and click on Activate MFA. Choose the type of MFA device you would like to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your MFA device. Once configured, test the MFA by signing out and signing back in. Ensure your MFA device is functioning correctly during this process. Always keep your MFA device secure and in a safe location. If you ever lose access to your MFA device, follow AWS recovery procedures. Regularly review your security settings and MFA status to maintain account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.